Hey fellas, for today's idea, I am going to show you how we design our odorless pig pen. I will also include how much we spent to put up the entire housing. We are still currently at higher risk for African swine flu. So I will also share to you the safety measure that we strictly follow to make the pig safe. So as part of safety measure, we installed a mosquito net because as we all know, mosquitoes carries a lot of different kind of diseases. These spider webs you're seeing at the moment has played a pivotal role inside the pen because it saves as a trap for whatever the insects that gets in. The moment that they get insect bites or mosquito bites, the pigs will rub their skin against the rough wall and they will never stop. They'll rub it crazily and the itch will not stop. It's because as they do that, it gives them an open wound from minor to major infections when left untreated. And that will give them a very nasty skin, and we don't want that because we take pride in what we do. When we market our livestock, we want them to look at its best. Good skin, good looks equals to good profit. As a buyer myself, I always give high consideration on its quality. This right here is their drinker nozzles. We want to make sure that they are always drinking clean and fresh water. We do that so the floor is dry and when they sleep, they can sleep comfortably. Anyway, we also installed a ceiling fan so they don't feel hot inside, especially during summer. And as you can see, the pen is well ventilated round the clock. It also helps the pen odorless. Dolores. This floor was strategically designed to be slopey, so whenever they pee or when we clean the pen, it will go straight down the drain all the way back to the septic tank. And that played the biggest reason why the pig pen is odorless. We don't want our neighbors frown upon the foul smell. This pig pen measures about 10 by 10 and the total cost for the materials is 12K plus 2,500 pesos for the manpower. And the tank itself costs about 20K for the materials plus 4,500 pesos for the manpower. And it only took them about 4 days to complete the project. And we also spent about 3,000 for the accessories like water tank. It is really necessary just in case there is a shortage for the water supply. The high pressure water hose for cleaning the pen, the solar lamps, the mosquito nets, and the ceiling fan. For the exact amount, the cost for the materials and the cost for the manpower really varies depending on where you are located. Backyard piggery is a lucrative business with high potential income. That is why we have to protect them at all costs by providing them a secure and clean housing. If the pig pen is not well maintained, it can have a really strong odor, a foul smell, I would say, and that is not a good picture when your neighborhood will report you to the local sanitation office, and we want to keep this business running. And that is why we strictly follow the standard protocols set by the sanitation office. We also give an emphasis of maintaining the high level of respect that we are giving to our neighbors, which are our relatives as well, that our micro business wouldn't bother them at all. Selling livestock in general has to be presentable in order for us to give a good impression to our buyers. And what I mean by that is we have to make sure that our livestock are healthy and they are provided with a healthy living condition so that your buyers will get that sense of guarantee that what they are buying from you are healthy piglets that they can grow for 4 months and sell them to the meat shops. And they love that is how you get a repeat buyers and a potential referrals from them. Do not be intimidated if you wanted to start a business like this because you only need one sow. Before you know it, after 3 months from the time that the sow got artificially inseminated, you will have 10 piglets ready to be sold after a month. Selling nowadays is much easier thanks to social media. 3 days back, I posted our piglets in a buy and sell group, and just within a day, a bulk buyer contacted me. Currently, we have 11 piglets inside the pen, but we're only gonna sell 9 piglets. It's because the other 2 are way too small to be sold at 4,000 pesos per head. Later today, the bulk buyers will pick them up, and the remaining 2, we're gonna keep them for another 3 months' time, just enough for the 2 of them to reach 40 to 50 kilos per head. And by that time, we can sell them for what, 9,000 pesos or 10,000 pesos per head. I just received a text from the bulk buyers. They're on their way now to get the piglets. And let me just prepare so I can assist them. All right, so mask on because the buyers are here to pick up the piglets. And this is part of our safety measure against ASF or African Swine Flu. 36. So bugat. Yeah, this is quite tear jerking. Have to say goodbye to them. Sige. All right, so we just made 36K for selling piglet. This is actually my first piglets that I sold in bulk. So if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, any suggestions, please comment down below. I'll be very happy to answer any question, and I will seriously appreciate for any suggestion that will help our farm here. Let's grow together and learn from our daily walks here in our farm. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know once the episode is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Stay amazing. Bye!